What's good, YouTube fam? Welcome back to the Robinson Family Channel. It's your boy H-Town Sean.
And it's your girl Shay.
Your boy Sean.
And your boy Rylan.
And today we got a cooking special for you guys. We're going to be cooking crawfish etouffee. So you're going to want to watch this video from beginning to end. Take down the recipe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below who's the best cook. Obviously me.
Oh, that's me.
No,
That's
that's
me.
me.
That's me.
Oh, y'all
That's
lying.
me.
It's me.
Boy, you can't even cook it out. You can't cook bacon.
I can't cook
And
bacon.
don't forget to put on post notifications to always get to the video on time as soon as it comes out. And right now we're on a road to a 500, and whoever is the most active gets an Xbox One, free Xbox One with 3 free games, including a shout out.
So now guys, we're about to get into the video.
Hey y'all, first things first, you want to get all your utensils and ingredients together. You will need a large skillet, a wooden or whatever kind of spoon you want to use, a cutting board, celery, parsley, yellow, red, and green bell peppers, a yellow onion, minced garlic, crawfish tails, real salted butter, garlic salt, onion powder or garlic powder, seafood stock, or you can use chicken stock, all-purpose flour, vegetable oil, and Tony chacheres.
Yes, ma'am.
First, you want to start off and clean your vegetables. There's a bowl right there. Now that we're done rinsing the vegetables, now it's time to chop the vegetables. And at this time, after cleaning all your vegetables, you want to start cleaning your crawfish. Yeah, I need to put it in something after I clean this one. So I asked you was you filming. First, we're gonna turn the skillet on to medium high. Let that heat up. And then we're gonna pour 1/4 cups of vegetable oil into the skillet and let that warm for 2 minutes. Next, you want to add 1/4 cups of flour. And if you ever made gravy or anything like that, you know how to make a roux. And you want to continuously stir until it's a peanut butter brown color. You don't want white roux. So it's just like making brown gravy or white gravy, but you want yours to be peanut butter brown, caramel brown, You want your roux to be good, and you want to continuously stir so you don't burn it. You don't want a burnt taste roux. And you're gonna stir it for about 3 minutes or until it's peanut butter brown.
If you burn it, that'll probably mess up the whole crawfish etouffee, right?
Yeah, it make it taste terrible. You see it's changing, it's getting darker. And I like cooking with the wooden spoon so it doesn't scrape your pots and skillet. And once you get your roux to be a caramel brown color like this, turn it off for a couple minutes, but you want to continue to stir for a couple more minutes. Now that we all finished with the roux, I'm gonna saute my vegetables. So I'm gonna turn the fire on medium heat on the skillet. I'm gonna melt the half a stick of butter. And you wanna melt the butter before you add in the vegetables. Now that the butter is all nice and melted, you want to add in your vegetables. And you want to saute them for about 5 or 10 minutes or until they're all done. And all these vegetables are going to give your crawfish etouffee a lot of flavor. Now that your vegetables has been sauteed, they got this golden brown color, you can add your roux. And you want to mix everything together. Like this. And then you want to add 1 cup of seafood stock. You can use chicken stock or you can use water, whichever one you want to use. But you want to add 1 cup for right now to your mixture. You're going to mix it up like this. And let everything blend together. Look how good that looks already. Then you want to add 2 more cups of the seafood stock to the mixture. Like this, and you want to mix it all together and put it on medium high. And you want to make it come to a boil. And while it's doing it, you can just season it how you want it. Add in Tony's or your seafood seasoning, your garlic powder, your onion powder. After your mixture comes to a boil like so, you want to turn it down from medium high to medium low, and you want to add your crawfish. And then you want to stir everything up together like this. And after this, you want to put the top on for 15 minutes. And let it simmer. After letting it simmer for 15 minutes. That's how it comes out. It looks delicious. And you can serve it with rice. That's how we usually serve it over rice with either garlic bread or club crackers. Either way, both of them taste really nice with it. And there you have it, y'all. Crawfish etouffee. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Until next time, bye.